The hardest part about making the salad is putting it in the refrigerator and waiting till tomorrow to enjoy it when all those flavors are perfect. I sound like an idiot.
The hardest part about making the salad is making the video.
I should say that. Because it's not wrong. You guys already know that I like to use Sundays to set myself up for success. So one of the things I'm doing today is I'm making one of my favorite quinoa salads. Just starting out with a base of broth. This is vegetable broth. You can use whatever you have on hand, but bring this to a boil. And then take 1 cup of quinoa, rinse it really good, and we're gonna drop our quinoa in. Give it a stir, rolling boil. Turn this down to low and tight fitting lid. My lid doesn't fit tight, meaning when I put it on, I can still see steam coming out. You can see right here, I can still see steam coming out even when I have it turned where the holes aren't pointed that way. Still have steam. That is not a tight fitting lid. This is my tight fitting lid. I saw this hack a long time ago on social media and it's the best thing I've ever done. And then I just use the lid to really like get it in there. It's on low. Alexa set a timer for 15 minutes.
15-minute timer started.
Perfect. I'll be back. It's been 15 minutes. Here. Cut my burner off. There's your perfect quinoa. I just like to take a fork and fluff it up a little bit, stir it around, make sure there isn't any additional liquid in the bottom because sometimes it does just need to soak up a little bit. But this is looking great. So now all that I need to do is just get it cooled down and then I'll make a salad. Admittedly, I make this a little bit different every single time based on what I have on hand, but red onion and cucumber are the 2 main ingredients. If I don't have those, I'm not making it. So I have, I don't know, enough red onion, probably 1/4 of a red onion. And then 1/2 of an English cucumber that I just cubed up. Bite-sized pieces is really critical. Fresh parsley, fresh oregano, straight from the herb garden. I just washed it and then chopped it up really fine. The juice of 1 lemon. Actually, we're gonna do some lemon zest too. So before I juice the other half, we're gonna zest it. I'm feeling like lemon. Should have done this before I cut it.
The smell that is radiating off that
Is it phenomenal or too much for you?
No, not bad. Just wow.
I want this to be very lemon forward. Juice from the other half. Oop. Nobody wants a lemon seed. Olive oil to taste, probably 1/4 of a cup if I'm being quite honest. Salt. I'm using kosher salt. Wrong side. Using kosher salt. And then black pepper. Stir this together. You can actually make it while the quinoa is still warm and it's going to help all these flavors really meld together. But it is best served chilled and it will be even better tomorrow. Tomatoes are another item that I really like to add. However, I don't have any. We're just not a big tomato family, so I only buy them if I know that I'm gonna eat them, and this was a salad that I was just whipping up on a whim. I'll make it for you again and put tomatoes in it. It'd be really good with some radish in here too. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. It's just gonna keep getting better. Feta cheese would be great. I like blue cheese, so I'll eat with blue cheese instead. See you guys later.